Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sherelle, and in this video we will be doing a hotel review of the Hyatt Regency Tokyo. Now this day was also a transit day, so we did take the Shinkansen from Osaka to Japan, which put us off right underneath the hotel stop, which was great. So we were able to go upstairs to check into our room. It was actually ready when we arrived. I really like the luxurious design of the hotel lobby. There are plenty of places where you can take pictures for Instagram. There's actually a photo spot up here on the escalator, so I do recommend taking some pictures. The hotel also offers a plethora of restaurants and eateries in the hotel as well as downstairs. And they also do have a Lawson's and 7-Eleven, so there are places where you can get quick eats as well. Now let's head off to the room. We were staying on the 23rd floor, so let's proceed to our room. It was a great location for the activities we wanted to do in Tokyo. We wanted to go to Warner Brothers Studio, the making of Harry Potter, as well as Shibuya Sky. When you enter the room, on the right hand side is a closet space with slippers, and the bathroom is on the left side. The bathroom was very clean and fully stocked with amenities as well as extra towels. My sister and I booked the one king bed room during our stay here. This is the hotel we stayed at during our stay in Tokyo, Japan. And then after this, we were going home to the States. I really do like the touches that the staff made. This is my favorite brand of tea, and they put it on the desk right next to this beautiful view of the sunset, as we did get here around that time. So that was a great touch to our stay here. I love that the room comes with a personal refrigerator, so we were able to get snacks downstairs. You don't really even have to go outside to get your snacks because there is a Lawson and 7-Eleven downstairs in the hotel. Because we did arrive during late afternoon, we did decide to walk around a little bit as well as get something to eat, and we chose to get some pizza from Domino's. This Domino's location was about 7 to 10 minutes away from the hotel. The staff were friendly and the service was very fast, so we did take the pizza back to our room to enjoy in the hotel. The next day, me and my sister did get up early to go to Shibuya Crossing and Shibuya Sky. I will have a full video on our experience at Shibuya Sky, as well as we did have dinner here, which was very nice, as well as the process of getting tickets to go to Shibuya Sky. If you can get sunset tickets for Shibuya Sky, I highly do recommend it. The sunset tickets were sold out for this day, so we did get here around 6 p.m., which was okay because it was a beautiful view of the city at night. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Hyatt Regency Tokyo. Please stay tuned for more Japan content and like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video. See you in the next one.